If you don't have a partner to practice your English speaking with, then this video is for you. So make sure watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Dubey and I am from Uttar Pradesh. Most of you know that I have challenged myself to become a fluent speaker in 2026, and I am sharing my entire journey on this YouTube channel so that you can also learn with me, you can feel motivated, and you can learn with me and become a fluent speaker with me in 2026 itself. So most of the beginners don't know how to practice English speaking alone when they don't have a partner. So I thought this is a big problem and I should talk about it. So in this video I will tell you how I practice my English speaking alone because I don't have a partner. So without any further delay, let's jump to the topic. So the topic is how I practice my English speaking. The first thing I do, I talk to myself. Now, what does it mean to talking to yourself? It simply means that I describe the situations that I go through all day in English only. Suppose I'm drinking tea in the morning, then I will talk to myself that I'm drinking tea. Now I will put this sentence on internet and search the different ways to say that, to describe the situation, because this helps me to understand and, and gives me more ways to describe the same situation in advanced ways also, because the next time when I have to speak I am drinking tea, I should not just repeat the same sentence. So I write down the different ways and try to practice them. So I am drinking tea, and the different ways to describe the situation is: I am having tea, I am having my morning tea, I am on a tea break, I am on a tea break, I am enjoying my tea. This helps me to describe the same situation in different ways and learn the different ways to describe the situation. So next time when I speak to someone else, I will not use the same sentence: I am drinking tea. I will use I'm having tea, I'm enjoying my morning tea. And if I'm talking to somebody in the evening, I can simply say I'm enjoying my evening tea. So this way I improve and I practice my English speaking by talking to myself. The second thing is that I record myself. I record my mobile on my mobile phone without taking care of what people will say, without taking care of grammar, without taking care of mistakes. Because I know one thing: if I want to become a fluent speaker in 2026, then I will have to speak anyway. So that is why I record myself so that I can practice my English speaking and also overcome the fear of facing camera, because I have never done this before. For the very first time I'm recording myself and putting the videos on my YouTube channel. So I record myself, and whatever comes in my mind I just speak. I create a situation that now I have to describe the situation in English. Now, like for example, now I'm recording this video, so I can simply describe the situation. I am recording the video and I will upload this video on my YouTube channel. I am holding the phone. I am holding the phone in my right hand, and I'm walking on my rooftop, and simultaneously I am recording this video. Now this way I'm killing two birds with one stone. Firstly, I'm recording, I'm creating content for my YouTube channel. Secondly, I'm practicing my English speaking, because I am recording myself and I am speaking. So that way you can also record yourself and speak whatever comes in your mind. Suppose you are a homemaker and you are going to make tea, then describe the situation in English, whatever comes in your mind. And then after recording that video, listen that video, what mistakes, write down those sentences that you have spoken, and take the help of chat gpt, the how to describe the situation of making tea. The chat gpt will give you advanced and different ways to describe that situation. Suppose you can say that, now I have put the water on the gas stove to boil. I'm adding some sugar and tea leaves. I will boil it for some more time. Now I'm adding milk. Now tea is ready. I'm sipping the tea with this strand in a strand. I'm I'm enjoying, now I'm going to enjoy my tea with reading a newspaper. This way you can create situations, you can describe situations in English. Now if you do this for 10 days, 15 days, you will notice a huge difference in your communication, in your confidence, in your pronunciation. You will start pronouncing the word in right way. So from now on, if you don't have any idea how to what to describe, how to speak, make one habit that before going to bed every day, describe your day, how was your day today in English, and record yourself on your mobile phone. Then watch, then compare it to your previous day video. You will notice a difference from your previous day. And if you are a beginner and want to become fluent in English 2026 and learn with me, then subscribe to this YouTube channel and let me know in the comment section. I will guide you step by step